The Enzoni. It's flash, a bit in your face, and it sounds like it's named after that smug neighbour's car who only needs to buy a Tom Cruise style leather jacket to complete level 10 of their midlife crisis. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, as we wouldn't want your neighbours to find out about your online browsing habits, wouldn't we? The ingredient lineup: 5 grapes, London dry gin, Campari, lemon juice and simple syrup. The Enzoni is a modern classic, and it's sort of like a Negroni but with more ingredients, and it's shaken rather than stirred, so before your Negroni haters kick off, this will surprise you. Let's start this off by muddling the grapes. Don't be afraid to get stuck in, as we're not muddling delicate herbs here. Add to your shaker 1 ounce, that's 30ml of London dry gin. Add 1 ounce, that's 30ml of Campari. 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5ml of fresh lemon juice. Then lastly add half an ounce, that's 15ml of simple syrup. Add ice and give a good shake for 10 to 15 seconds. This drink was created by Vincenzo Errico whilst he was working at the legendary Milk and Honey Bar in New York. Add ice to a double rocks glass. It's important that you double strain this, as we always do when we muddle in the shaker. Then for your garnish, spear 3 grapes like a school javelin accident. The taste test. This is an amazing drink, I really like it. It's balanced well. For the Campari haters, the addition of the simple syrup, the lemon juice and the grapes completely mellows it out. If you're on the fence about anything like Negronis or anything like that, please give this a try, but this is an amazing drink in its own right.